Good morning. 좋은 아침입니다. 자, we will start at review guys. Samtang wala pa, bisan pag walay announcement. But here, atong i-review ang mga fill in the blank. Hinahinayon ba? Every day, bisan usa duha ka kuan ka number ato ang i-review. Sharo. Alright, so here is pin칸에 들어갈 가장 알맞은 것을 고르십시오. So here, guys, this is fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. So if you can see na, you share blank. So always remember, pag mag-take tag exam, basahon dyan na to ang instruction. Yes, instruction first. So here, Ibek Ilban, number 201. Ang ka here is the speaker, ang na is the one who will answer. So let's see. 괜찮아요? 괜찮아요? Are you okay? 많이 아파 보여요. I see that you are very sick. So yan tubag is blank에 걸렸어요. I get or I uh, Kolida, guys, is to take. So it's past tense, take or got. So here, if we're going to understand kolida, kolida is to take. Yoldu nagu, yol nada is fever, or you can see yori nada. Gu here is end. Mokdo apayo. Mok is the neck or throat. Apayo. So apuda. Sick daw or sakit kuno iyahang throat and naapod siya'y fever. So unsa may iyahang blank here? Ilban. Yak. Yak is medicine. Pyangwon is hospital. Kichim is ubo. And kamgi is cold or apil na diri ang colds kanang um, running nose, headache, and everything. Obo. So, kamgi. So, here guys, the correct answer, 가장 알맞은 것을 is 감기. 감기에 걸렸어요. 감기에 걸렸어요. So, I get 감기. Okay, trangkaso. 이빅 앨번 문제는 저는 구청에서 한국말을 배웠어요. I learn Korean language, 한국말 at the 구청. 구청, guys, is something public office or district office. So here, 1월부터 6월까지 6 blank 동안 배웠어요. 동안 is the duration. The duration. 동안. 배우다 is to learn. Past tense sa 배우다 becomes 배웠어요. So here, the answer here is 1번. What can be put in the blank is wall. Wall is month. Nyon is year. Kewal is kabuan. Kabuan. Ilang buwan, isang buwan, dalawang buwan. And shigan is duration of time. So here guys, the correct answer is kewal. You kewal 동안 배웠어요. So here, 구청에서 한국말을 배웠어요. 1월부터 from January until까지 is until 6월 is June. So from January to June, 6개월. Kabulan. Wall is month. Ke is pila ka bulan. So that is kewal. So if this one is, you can read this one kewal. You kewal. Yo kewal. So 6 months. Number 3, ibek sambon. 저는 어제 yesterday 시장에 갔어요. 가다, go. So it's a past tense, so become went. 시장 is market. 어제 is yesterday, so meaning I went to market yesterday. 저는 ako. blank에서 과일을 샀어요. 사다. Buy. To buy, sada. Past tense, both. 과일 is fruit. So, object particle, 을. Then, verb. So here you can say yogi. So what we are going to check here unsay ato ibutang diri sa blank, yogi meaning here. Kogi there, odi where, chogi is over there. So guys, please don't confuse. The answer here is kogi. Chogi, when we speak of chogi, meaning you see that it can be over there. But if we are going to speak if the kogi, even we don't see any place or any, but we can say there, didto. So here the answer is 거기에서 과일을 샀어요. 자, number 204번. So the answer here is 거기에서 과일을 샀어요. I bought fruits there. So it's number 204. 제가 제일 좋아하는 blank은 가을입니다. 가을 is a season. Okay, this is autumn season. 가을. Okay, autumn season is 가을, winter season is 겨울, uh, spring season is 봄, and the summer season is 여름. So 좋아하는 season is 가을. So what's the vocabulary of season? Season is 계절, 계절. So for season is 사계절. So if season lang, 계절. So the correct answer is number 4 because it talks about autumn. Autumn is 계절. Alright. 좋아하는 I like the autumn season. 음식, okay, the option number one, 음식 is food. 운동 is uh, exercise, but if there is hada. But for this undong lang jud, it's also refer to sports. Kwail is fruit. So the answer is 계절, season. 자, 정답은 4번입니다. 마지막 문제는 205번. Number 205. 저는 인도네시아에서 왔습니다. I came from 왔습니다. This is uda, to come. Past tense, came. From 에서 Indonesia. So from Indonesia. che blank Indonesia입니다. So sabi niya, ako galing sa Indonesia. So, ang blanco is Indonesia. So, what's the correct answer? Kuyang, hometown, kajok, family, irum, name, Chimi is hobby. So, the answer here is number 1. Kuyang. Che Kuyang. My hometown is Indonesia because I came from Indonesia. So, guys, you have to know the vocabulary and choices diri is my hometown, my place. So, the answer is 고향. 정답은 1번입니다. 자, 오늘은 여기까지 배우도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다.